Hey guys, today, welcome to the nature documentary. Welcome to the nature documentary with Killerpunk. Done. Flowers. Flowers have come. Flowers and plants have come many years. What the fuck? Inside them, the middle, they often have pollen. Pollen is what bees use to make honey. Honey is very important, and also butterflies. Nature. In nature there are many stuff. Nature, we have wood. As you can see right here, wood. In nature, outside, there are animals, birds, and wood. People use wood to make certain things, like houses and stuff. But one of the most amazing creatures on the planet is ants. Ants are tiny creatures, but they are seeable. They are also very smart. Ants. Ants. Huh? Yes, ants. As you can see, ants are very intelligent creatures. They often follow the steps. Like they take a step, they just keep on counting all the steps, and then they arrive and they find some food. They bring the food, but they count their steps to get back to their home, their home, their home. As you can see. So yeah, guys, subscribe to my channel. You might learn some stuff. Like, this video isn't bad. You should at least like it, because it's learning. Why would you not like it? It's educational. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, please. So yeah, as you can see. Wait, you cannot see actually. As you can see, the ant, it is going.